Assalamualaikum students. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. It's an English lecture. Today we will do week number 6, period number 27-28, mark date on these periods. We will do future continuous tense. The definition of this tense is, this tense describes an unfinished action. कि ये टेंस जो है ऐसे काम को शो करता है जो अभी हुआ ही नहीं है, जो फ्यूचर में होगा. एक्शन और इवेंट दैट विल बी इन अ प्रोग्रेस एट अ टाइम लेटर देन मीन्स के वो काम अभी फ्यूचर में होगा, ये उसको डिस्क्राइब करता है. इसकी उर्दू में पहचान रहा होगा, रही होगी, रहे होंगे आता है इसके आखिर में. द हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स ऑफ दिस टेंस इज विल बी एंड शैल बी. Will be with he, she, it, they, you, singular and plural will be will come, and with I and we use shall be. The formation of this tense is in simple sentence. The formation of simple sentence is subject will be, shall be. In continuous tense, with will and shall be will come. Be will be added with will and shall, plus first form of verb plus ing and plus object. In negative sentence, subject plus will not be. Please keep that in your mind, that will not be. Not will come between the word will and be. Shall not be. First form of verb plus ing plus object. In interrogative, will and shall will come before the subject. Then after the subject be will come. Will and shall, subject, be plus first form of verb plus ing plus object plus question mark. Here are some sentences for your practice. अब बारिश हो रही होगी. It will be raining now. अब बारिश नहीं हो रही होगी. Look at the student, this sentence, it will not be raining now. Not will come in the center of will and be. क्या अब बारिश हो रही होगी? Will it be raining now? Here be will come after the subject. Here it is a subject and be will come after the subject. Will it be raining now? I will send you the pictures of the complete exercise of future in continuous tense and you have to complete it on your notes. Thanks.